In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted that smooth swipe where one wide image flows perfectly across multiple posts, this is the workflow to use. We'll set up a correctly sized canvas, split it with guides, slice it cleanly, and export ready to upload files all without guesswork. Start by creating a new document. Go to File, New, and size your canvas based on how many panels you want. Each Instagram square is 1080 by 1080 pixels, so just multiply the width. For 3 images, set the width to 3240 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. Keep the resolution at 72 since this is for screens. Set color mode to RGB and bit depth to 8-bit. Click Create. This ensures each panel will align exactly with Instagram's format with no scaling surprises later on. Now add your artwork or photo, drag the image into the canvas and resize it so it spans the full width evenly. Use the corner handles while holding Shift if you want to preserve proportions. Position it precisely, and when it fills the document edge to edge, confirm with the check mark. Working at full width here prevents any soft edges or gaps once the image is split. Next, set up guides for each slide. Go to View Guides, New Guide Layout. In columns, enter the number of images you're planning, for example 3. Set the gutter to 0 so there's no space between columns, and click OK. You'll see the canvas divided into equal Instagram-ready panels that act as visual boundaries while you compose. It's time to create the slices. Select the crop tool, click and hold to reveal the slice tool, and choose it. Then use the slices from Guides command. Photoshop will instantly generate perfectly measured slices that match your columns. Let's export the files. Go to File, Export, Save for Web. Inside the export window, choose the slice tool again, zoom out so you can see every slice, and shift-click to select all of them. Pick JPEG or PNG, set the quality high, and click Save. In the Save options, choose Format, Images Only, Slices All Slices, Name Format, JPEG, Settings, Default. Select your folder and save. Finally, open your exported folder, confirm the files are in order, and upload them to Instagram in sequence. As viewers swipe, your image will look seamlessly continuous across all slides. If this helped, remember to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.